Books are like portals that grant you access to another world that was once alien to you. Reading books can expose you to different perspectives and ideas, broadening your understanding of the world and helping you make more informed decisions. Suppose you desire to grow in your knowledge of money and finance. In that case, you must choose your reading materials carefully, as they can shape your thoughts and ultimately impact the direction of your financial journey. Hundreds and thousands of books are out there, you can only read one at a time. In this video, I'll narrow the list to just 8. How do you start your journey to becoming financially smart? Here are 8 top finance books that will improve your knowledge of money. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This book is a top-of-the-book stack option with a 4.7/5 audience rating on Goodreads. In his book, Napoleon Hill researched and wrote about 13 principles that will inspire readers to think differently and act to see positive changes. Hearing the success stories and mistakes can effectively teach us how to do better and what to avoid. The author shares many of these stories and experiences in the book and discusses the importance of perseverance, consistency, and how to seize opportunities. The author also emphasizes the importance of having a clear goal and developing a burning desire to achieve it. Overall, Think and Grow Rich is a great read for anyone looking to improve their mindset and achieve financial success. The Intelligent Investor, the definitive book on value investing by Benjamin Graham. According to many, this is one of the best books on value investing. Benjamin Graham, an American economist and professional investor, is regarded as the originator of value investing and significantly impacted many wealthy investors, including Warren Buffett. In the book, he offers long-term strategies investors can use to safeguard themselves from serious harm while developing patience and valuation skills. Making investments is a huge part of financial success, so if you are wondering where to begin, reading this beginner-friendly, practical book will be a good step in the right direction. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book contains almost everything you need to know about finances. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a complete financial course that covers everything from financial literacy to learning how to become financially independent to accumulating wealth through asset investment, real estate investing, and entrepreneurial principles. The author shares how 2 men, his father and best friend's father, shaped his thoughts about money and investing. One major highlight is how Robert explodes the myth that you need to earn a high income to be rich. Anyone can read this book regardless of the level of their financial knowledge because it is written in simple language. It offers helpful pointers and counsel that can be used in real-life circumstances. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Becoming financially smart is a sum of what you know and how you behave. The Psychology of Money gives timeless lessons on how to be wealthy. In this book, Housel argues that how smart we are and how we behave have little to do with how well we manage money. Housel explains that emotions, biases, and social norms often influence our financial decisions. He also provides practical advice on how to avoid common financial mistakes and build long-term wealth. It is one of the best books on personal finance. Money, Master the Game by Tony Robbins. Robbins presents a step-by-step guide to financial freedom and emphasizes the importance of taking control of one's finances through education and action. This book is based on extensive research and one-on-one interviews with more than 50 financial experts worldwide. While the large size of this book might discourage many, it contains a lot of insight into finances and helps the reader break the mentality that money is difficult to manage. He also shares his personal experiences and struggles with money, making the book relatable to readers. The book covers a wide range of financial topics such as investing, budgeting, and debt management, making it a comprehensive guide for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy. Additionally, the author's writing style is engaging and easy to understand, making the book accessible to readers of all levels of financial knowledge. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This book gives actionable strategies to budget, save for emergencies, and invest in your future. If you need a real workbook or a step-by-step guide to how your finances should be dealt with, Dave Ramsey's book is a great resource to consider. It includes real-life stories of people who have successfully followed Ramsey's plan and achieved financial freedom, making it an inspiring read. It provides practical advice and strategies to help you take control of your money and achieve financial freedom. Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker. Our review for this book quotes, "If you want to gain from this book, don't just read it like any other book. Study it as though your life depends on it." Secrets of the Millionaire Mind is a book that provides insights into the mindset and habits of successful people and offers practical strategies for achieving financial abundance. It emphasizes shifting one's beliefs and attitudes toward money to achieve wealth and success. Eker holds the idea that we all have a money blueprint imprinted in our subconscious minds by what we have learned or experienced. And it is this blueprint, more than anything, that will determine our financial lives. This book is another awesome read if you're seeking financial knowledge. The Richest Man in Babylon by George Clason. If you cherish ancient parables, this will be a good read. In his book, George Clason shares timeless financial principles that still apply today. Written like a story, this book is filled with parables and stories that teach you how to manage your money wisely and build wealth over time. There is so much to learn in it, even beyond finance. Whether you consider yourself an expert or an amateur in your knowledge of finance, this book has something for you. It is hailed as one of the most inspiring books on wealth ever written. Have you read any of these books yet? You can leave a review in the comment section and tell us which is your favorite. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to share it with someone too. I look forward to hearing all you've learned from these books. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.